What's up guys, it's your girl aka. You all are welcome, and I want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for your support and the love. Guys, I can't believe it, we are at 91 subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you want to join the family, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications such that each time I upload a single video you'll be notified. And today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this easy Senegalese twist on my natural hair. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So guys, my hair has already been washed and moisturized, and I go with my right tail comb, and the braiding hair we'll be using today for this tutorial is crystal and in color 1. And not forgetting my favorite Out and Shine and Gem Gel. And sis, for the pattern, if you can't do it, you can get help from your sister, from your neighbor to help you do the pattern. Even parting my hair wasn't that easy because I didn't have a front mirror, so I had to go to the bathroom and complete the process. For my sisters who don't know how to grab their roots, worry not sis, I got you. This is the best style I think that you can start with before you start learning how to grab those roots. So after applying the shine and gem at the roots to get that sleeky nature, you go in with your rattle comb or whatever you're using and you comb it out, and then you divide your hair into 3 and you braid. When I'm done with the mini braiding, I grab the braiding hair and I twist it and place it on my index finger. Take the crochet needle and place it beneath my braiding hair, and I tuck the braiding hair and close. Sometimes guys, you will be able to feel you'll be facing some challenges and difficulties, so I wanted to leave this one so you all could see. Sometimes you have to do this like 2-3 times, especially when you're not really used to it. And giving up is never an option for me, sis. So you got this. You can do it. Don't give up. So I applied the shine and gem gel on my hair. You know it is a natural hair, guys. And those with the natural hair, you know the struggle. So I twist in the opposite direction before placing it above the other. So that's what I kept doing for the whole process. Twist in the other direction before I pass on to the other.
See when I ride on bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's butty, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's butty, baby. VQs, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
So guys, when I'm done with taking out the flyaways, I dip my hair into hot water and I apply my hair mousse so as to really take off those flyaways. And you know for sure your girl has to slick those edges down to make it look a little baby-like, a little bit softer. And I hope you're enjoying this video, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel. And whoo, guys, this is it. And you know your girl couldn't be satisfied without adding some accessories to the hair.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's butty, baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me then go slow. Them my feeling, know my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, bad man run the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover.
And that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.